Hello guys, talagang yon nakakalungkot. Wala sa aking sumama, wala sa aking umattend dito sa Investment Conference 2023. Yun nga lang, in-invite ko sila kaso andyan pala sila. O, andyan pala kayo. Ayan. So, so yun guys, once again, mga traders, no? Talagang sila yung mga maswerteng kasama natin dito sa Investment Conference 2023. Ay mga ka-traders, magandang yaman po sa ating lahat. At sa video naman na ito, kasama natin yung mga young entrepreneurs nating mga kaibigan, no? At magpapakilala lang sila ng maikli lang, no? Kasi nandito tayo ngayon sa BGC Taguig City para umattend ng Investment Conference 2023 ni Randall Johnson at ng mga iba't iba pang guest speakers who are great people in finance as well. So, magpapakilala na tayo, no? O, first of all, Christian J, Estudyante Trader, you, bro. Maya.
Good morning po. So, big shoutout Patrick Sunga. Big shoutout to Coach CJ for giving us ticket. Alam mo naman, sobrang bait ng Estudyante Trader natin. So,
Yun. Thank you gusto natin. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro, Patrick. So, ikaw naman, bro.
So ayun, una sa lahat, thank you kay CJ kasi nga, yun nga, nakalibre kami ng ganitong seminar. Hindi dahil sa'yo, wala kami ganito.
Oh,
Sa
ayan.
Big Bulali.
Thank you so much, bro. Sige, shoutout ka lang. Okay na
Hi,
yan.
kamusta? Good morning. Ako si JC Bulali. Nadami lang ako dito, dinami na ako.
Yun. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro, JC.
Oh, good morning, Jude de la Paz, Martina.
Thank you kay ano.
Kay Sir Estudyante Trader for the free ticket and kay Sir Marvin Germo.
Thank you so much, bro.
hello guys, it's Skill Up. Salamat nga po pala sa kanya dahil nalibre ako sa ticket ngayong araw. Thank you.
Okay, talagang pinagsasabi nila dito, libre no. Ayan, so, well, totoo yun, no? Thank you talaga kay Mr. Marvin Germo, unang-una pa lang. At magkita-kita tayo doon sa Investment Conference Forum. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Mr. Marvin Germo. And see you all, guys. Bye-bye.
Kasi this a little bit crazy when Marvin brought the idea with me na, Ninong, gagawin natin to. Pero, we're gonna, if you notice the poster, no? Daming tao, no? So,
So, dahil po konti ang naiaangkat ng Russia at Ukraine palabas, nahihirapan tayo. Okay? Ngayon, pag tinignan natin, ano ba ang impact sa atin? Diba, sinasabi ng gobyerno ngayon, medyo bumababa na yung inflation. Galing po ng 8.5, naging 6.6. Pero pumunta po kayo sa supermarket, mataas pa rin ang presyo. Diba? Tapos, yung gobyerno hindi masyadong gumagastos kasi walang pera. Malaki na po ang na-improve. Bago po ng pandemic, ang growth po natin negative 17, ngayon 6.4%. Last year, 7.6%. So maganda po. Ang problema natin, mataas yung presyo, 6.6%. So, yan po lang ang problema natin. Ngayon, malaki na po ang naging improvement ng economy. So, yung kulay gold po na bars na nakikita nyo dyan, yan po yung tinatawag na consumption. Yan po yung gastos ninyo at gastos ko.
It's among one of the most passionate personal finance practitioners here in the Philippines. He's the CEO of Stock Smarts Incorporated and a board of director for both Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund and the Soldivo Bond Fund. For Web3, he is a partner in White Noise NFT, a director in a Layer Zero blockchain, Tetrix, and an advisor for Web3 media platform, Public, PUBLC. And he has also been a strategic partner consultant in more than 10 blockchain projects in the past 2 years. And I've seen his shift, no? From being so passionate about stocks, he still is, but now being so passionate also as well with crypto and the blockchain. He is national bookstores, best-selling author of 5 stock market and investing books. His ability to break down complicated investment concepts and translate it into something that is simple, basic, and understandable has made Marvin one of the most sought-after investment speakers in the land. So without further ado, palakpakan natin si Mr. Marvin Germo!
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So, first of all, thank you
so much for coming. Now, a few days before this, we got so many messages that there was a storm, and then if it's gonna happen. But I'd like to thank you all for coming here. And true enough, though, when we co-founded this with Randall 10 years ago, we never expected to do this for the 10th year, or to do this also for 10 years. But it goes to show also that if you love what you do, you'll never work a single day in your life. And it's been a breeze the past 10 years. It has its own set of ups and downs also, but as long as you're enjoying the process, it becomes exciting all throughout. And what's interesting is, ang dami nagbago from the time we did this na face-to-face. When I understood it, when I saw how game-changing it really is freedom. Why? What is Bitcoin? Number one, Bitcoin is digital gold. Number two, this is what makes it freedom. It's the decentralization of ownership. When I got this concept alone, wala na. Tapos na, no asset class could ever be like this. For me to discuss what decentralization is, you have to know what centralization is. Ngayon, I want you to participate and tell me kung nabutan ito. Familiar? How about this? How about this? These are all centralized social media platforms. All of my college pictures are there. What happened to all of them? Wala na. Parang love life ng iba. Wala na. Parang ganun siya. When something is centralized, there's a central point of failure. If it closes down, something bad happens, or nalugi talaga sila, whatever you have stored there goes to zero. Can you? This, it's happening right in front of our very eyes today. Why am I saying this? For the first time in our entire history, hindi mo na kailangan matakot that when you have an asset class, no one can take it away from you, that can never be shut down. That's
Picture later on. Okay. All right. Okay, we have one more speaker before we're gonna pause for our lunch break and then resume in the afternoon. So without further ado,
20s. And it took me 12 years to be able to pay my debt. So noong time na yun, I was always asking myself, paano ko yata mababayaran itong utang ko? So I did a lot of things, nag-insurance ako, nag-networking ako, anything na walang puhunan, I did the hustle to be able to pay off my debt. And you know, sometimes when you're paying your debt, it takes you yung unang taon, sabi ko, sige, kaya ko yan, lalaban ako. But you also get depressed. You also get those experiences.
Hi mga ka-traders, magandang yaman po sa ating lahat. At sa video naman po na ito, talagang wala nang introduction. May makakasama po tayo ngayon na talaga super yaman. Hindi, nagtatali ako sa magandang yaman, grabe. Ayan, so super yaman, no other than Mr. Stock Smarts, Marvin Germo. So talagang unang-una po personally, I am very grateful that to have this great opportunity with my friends, communities, estudyante traders, and to have you. Okay, so first question po, ang question po namin ay, ano po ba dapat mauna? Business or pagtayo ng sariling business or mag-invest ka sa mga asset classes?
Depende kasi magkano pera pinag-usapan kasi kung wala ka namang capital pa, it might be better to start a business kasi minsan kailangan mo ng asset para mag-invest. Kailangan mo capital para mag-invest. So, kunyari ako yung tao na wala pa akong capital ngayon. Mag-business muna ako. Tapos if I start earning from that, invest ko.
Okay, so cash flow first muna before tayo mag-invest sa mga asset classes. So, and any suggestions or advices na lang po sa mga new and aspiring entrepreneurs and investors, especially the young generation and the youth?
Follow Estudyante Trader.
Thank you so much.
Pinagtanong sa akin ito kanina lang din. Sabi ko, huwag magmadali. Majority sa younger people, parang gusto nila man kagad eh. Hindi nila na-realize, I'm turning 40 this year. It took me decades, more than a decade to get able to do something. So yun, huwag magmadali. Focus on learning first. Kasi the more you know, it will help you na hindi kayo scam. It doesn't mean na hindi kayo magkakamali. Normal lang naman magkamali ko sa love life na nagkamali ka naman sa love life. Mukha ka nagkamali sa love life. Kung nagkakamali nga tayo sa love life, ganun din sa business. So, if you make a mistake, okay lang. Do something better. Yun. I think that's what you should do.
So yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Marvin Germo. Please follow him on his social media.
Parang awan niya na, wala na follow sa akin.
Grabe, super idol since 2019. Yeah, definitely. So, talagang it's been a great opportunity to be here. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Salamat.
Philippine-based tayo. No? I'm not in the NFT and the outside world. I'm here real in present. So I'm going to talk about the Philippine economy in a little bit different light. Okay, so I think most of you here are investment savvy. You want to invest. You want to put your resources into good news into the future.
Can say, right? So the older you get, the more you realize there's this thing that's most important, which is instincts. And as the mentor of TAP, that's the hardest thing to teach people. And what I'll try to do now today for 30 minutes, it's a little...
Investors, we go through those words as if they're buzzwords, but we get to miss out on their real meaning. And that's the reason why we also get lost with the way we handle portfolios, our money, and our financial journey. When you're into strategic investing, and that
Different mindset that they have. These are the secrets of the rich for life. Sa mga nagtatanong po, hindi po ako yung nag-speaker kanina na pumayat na konti. Okay? Kapatid ko po yun, okay? Better version lang po ito, okay? You've heard all the investments and I know you're motivated to get rich. Gusto ko ng yumaman. Sino sa inyo gusto ng yumaman? Yan po ang problema nyo, gusto nyo yumaman. Bakit? Okay? Dahil there was the rise of the mental wealth issues ng pandemic. Grabe, marami po sa atin yung kayamanan nasa utak lang po. Okay? That's your mental wealth. Okay? Pero gusto po natin talagang malaman, ano ba yung sikreto? How come some people make it in life and you have a Rex Mendoza saying, you know, I don't do that, I just buy. I just invest there. Right? Yung iba, sana ako rin. But it...
So, looking forward, again, I'd like to honor my good friend, my nana, Sir Marvin, for staying with me and helping me with this. So, all speakers were great. Sino favorite nyo? Anyway, so, all of them were great, and really, I've been coming in and out listening. We've been networking for there. Again, we'd like to thank all of you. This is not going to be the end of Icon. We're going to do Icon, and hopefully, we want to bring Icon to the provinces. Cebu, Davao, we'll be there once more.
Hello guys, talagang yon nakakalungkot. Wala sa aking sumama, wala sa aking umattend dito sa Investment Conference 2023. Yun nga lang, in-invite ko sila kaso andyan pala sila. O, andyan pala kayo. Ayan. So, so yun guys, once again, mga ka-traders, no? Talagang sila yung mga maswerteng kasama natin dito sa Investment Conference 2023. So once again, ayan, magbibigay sila ng takeaways or learnings, no, before we end, no, dito sa video na ito. So, sino una? Si Junel. Anong takeaways mo, bro?
Ang takeaways ko ay forget my mouth.
Let's go.
Madami masaya. Kasi maraming matututunan and
Kahit short learnings lang.
sharing yung mahalaga.
Sharing is caring.
Grabe, nakukuha namin. Then, ayun, possible, ma-apply din namin.
Sa totoong buhay. Yes. Let's go. Second.
Siyempre, ang pinaka-takeaways namin dito ay to invest young, di ba?
Yun.
Kasi, tsaka, mas maliit ang risk kapag nag-invest ka agad ng bata ka.
Yun. Tama. Idol. Okay. Next.
Ako naman, don't put your all your eggs in one basket. Meaning to say, diversify mo yung assets mo. Kasi, para ma-minimize yung risk.
Yun. Exactly. Galing yung mga takeaways. Next.
Ayun, so sobrang nakaka-inspire lang yung kwento nila na from scratch, yung mga from rags to riches.
Yeah, definitely.
Nakaka-inspire sobra.
Nakaka-inspire. So, thank you, bro. And next, John Card.
Sobrang dami ko natutunan. Hindi lang sa mga taong nandun, pati dito sa mga kasama ko.
Yun.
Lalo na kay CJ.
Thank you,
Kaya
bro.
maraming salamat. So ayun, kung mag-invest mo sa isang bagay, huwag kayong magmamadali.
Aralin pa ito.
Aralin.
Okay, next, bro. There you go.
Sa akin naman, masaya kasi first time ko makapunta dito at makasama silang lahat.
And yun, ang dami ko natutunan sa mga nagturo kanina sa loob. Yun, masaya.
Ayun, masaya. Okay. So, lahat na naka-feedback? Okay.
So yun nga, ako nga ulit si Cedric Bolaling. So thank you ulit kay CJ kasi nga pati dahil sa kanya wala kami dito. So ayun nga, ang takeaways ko naman is sobrang daming learnings pagdating sa mga ganitong conference. Kaya hindi ako titigil sa pagsama ng ganito. Para naman ma-explore ko kung ano talaga yung gusto ko.
Yun. Thank you so much. Yun. Thank you so much sa inyo guys. And once again, okay, meron pa pala. Sorry. Okay.
Sa akin naman dito is sobrang saya na makating sa ganitong event kasi makapag-investment din sa sarili din sa bagong matututo.
Thank you so much. So, ayan. So, once again, talagang ang pinaka-takeaways ko na lang dito sa lahat. Dito, yan sila. Na simula nung magkita-kita kami, yung iba hindi pa talaga totally magkakakilala. Huwag silang mahihiya na i-approach ang isa't isa, especially pag business person ka, hindi pwedeng mahihiyain ka. Hindi pwedeng, syempre, ikahiya mo kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, yung sarili mo mismo. But you have to be confident as well. So, lalo na yan, connections, contacts, are very vital when it comes to business and at the same time to actions and forms of leadership. Na may matututunan tayo sa mga iba't ibang sektor at sa mga iba't ibang organization at sa mga iba't ibang tao na nakakasama natin sa ating buhay. So once again, thank you so much once again to Marvin Germo and the other parties na bumubuo ng Investment Conference 2023. So once again, this is the Estudyante Trader and Estudyante Traders. Last na lang. Bye-bye. Thank you guys.